In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from PayPal to bank account. The first thing you want to do is you want to log into the paypal.com website. I am using the website since it is a bit more easier to show than the application, but either one will work. However, the UI just might look slightly different. But essentially, all you want to do is you want to locate your available balance. Then go ahead and press on the button over here that says transfer money. Then it is going to bring you a screen that looks like this, and you want to scroll down until you see this option that says transfer money. And over here, it is actually going to allow us to transfer this money into a bank account instead of storing it in the PayPal balance. So let's go ahead and just press on transfer money. And from here, go ahead and enter the amount of money that you would like to transfer. So you guys can go ahead and actually send this money within minutes or in 1 to 3 business days. Okay, guys, now here's where the really important stuff happens. Make sure that you do have a bank account linked to your PayPal account. So over here where it says transfer to, you will notice that there is a button on the top right that does say edit. So if you do not have a bank account added to your PayPal account, do not worry, because you can add one easily by pressing on edit and then pressing on this option that does say link a bank account. And you would essentially need to go ahead and log into your bank account website. So go ahead and try to find your bank account like so. And if for whatever reason you can't find your bank on the list, do not worry, because you could actually link your bank manually. So whichever one should do the trick. So let's say, for example, we're doing Citibank. All you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on agree and continue. And essentially it is going to make you log into your bank accounts. And from there, you guys could essentially link your bank account to your PayPal account. And once you're 100% sure that you do have your bank account added, then all you want to do is you want to press on this button that says transfer now. I'm actually doing the no fee one, so it does take 1 to 3 days. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on done, just like though. And just like that, you have now transferred money from PayPal to your bank account. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.